In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy games on the Japanese Nintendo eShop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase an easy to follow trick that allows you to browse through and purchase games on the Japanese Nintendo eShop. To do this, you simply have to change the region of your account. So to start, open the Nintendo website through a web browser on your computer or your phone. You will have to sign into your account and actually change the region. So when you arrive at Nintendo.com and you are signed in, click or tap on your icon and go to Nintendo Account Overview here at the bottom. This will redirect you to accounts.nintendo.com. Finally, under user information, you will find the option to edit your profile. So choose the option to edit your profile, and now, finally, under country or region of residence, select Japan. You will have to change the region of your account and save these changes. Once you do this and you open the eShop, on your Nintendo Switch, you might be prompted to sign in again because they need to refresh the region of the eShop, and you might get a warning telling you that the eShop cannot be displayed in the language set in your Nintendo Switch. This is because it is going to take the region set up in your account page, which is Japan, and it's going to use that for the language, so everything will be in Japanese. So you can browse the eShop just like you would in English. You can select the game, choose the option to purchase that game, and use any of the standard payment methods. In general, as long as your card is allowed to be used for international purchases, then there is absolutely no difference, and you simply have to input the details about your payment method and proceed. If the payment method does not work and it keeps giving you trouble, then the best course of action would be to acquire a Japanese Nintendo eShop gift card. There are plenty of locations where you can acquire these, including digital, for example, eBay. And as long as you redeem a Japanese eShop card, you will be able to get the funds. The funds added to your account can now be used to purchase any games. So try using your standard credit card, see if it works. If it doesn't work, then you will most likely have to purchase a Japanese eShop gift card. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.